Hey guys, this is Squidminer and I am recording at Blackberry Farm. Yes, this is Blackberry Farm. I'm not going to speak, but you may hear people speak. Okay? Hey guys. This is pretty. They look like cows to me. And this is my friend. Hi.
What are those animals called? Llamas.
Joe, you have to show me some of your videos on YouTube. Yeah, they're not. I haven't got money. I've been trying to put gaming videos, but I don't know what to put up and how to put it and how to record it. I've actually fed one of them. That's a sheep. As you can tell, even more sheep. Even more sheep. And then this is where the llamas would be, but I can't find them. They're goats. Oh, okay, they're not llamas here anymore, but there's goats. See, the goat, yay! The goatie! And the sheep, I think. No, it's goat sheep. I don't know what it is, but yeah. It looks like a goat sheep. A sheep. And, there's nothing in there. Or even there. There should be some stuff around here somewhere, but you can't have everything here though. And there is some things. They're the llamas. Yay, llamas! Look! I'm not close to it. Yeah, I fed one of them. Yeah, I fed a llama before with my brother, because he works at this farm. And yeah. Anyway. That's for something. That's for pony rides, as you can see.
No one's in there.
Obviously, no one uses that. Well, actually, they probably do for exercising them. And then the obstacle course. Then all of the play stuff. I don't know fully what it is, but all of these stuff. It's actually the play area. So yeah, these are the putty things, wherever they are. I'm just gonna name them putty things. That's the pillow, bouncy pillow. As Kai said, well, my friend. Well, you get a point. So, but I'm on a tractor right now, so. Guys, I'm right now on a tractor ride, so. And it's just finishing. It's just about to finish. See, these are all the people queuing up. Well, not all of the people, but some of the people queuing up. That's one of the Blackberry Farm people. Hi, Max.